Now is available at McCarthy Cars, BMW 5 Series, diesel, 2012 metallic grey. Car has front headlight washer, it's got front parking sensor, front headlight washer, front fog lights. It's got 18-inch M Sport alloy wheels. It's got privacy rear glass, got roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor. Electric tailgate. It's got split folding rear seats. Full cream leather interior. It's got side and front airbags. 5 headrests. ISOFIX, child seat preparation. 4 electric window. It's got electric seats, front auto headlights. Car has satellite navigation. It's got telephone, Bluetooth connection. It's got Bluetooth audio. Push button to start, auto start stop function. 2-zone climate control air conditioning. It's got automatic transmission. It's got sport mode, comfort mode, Sport Plus and Eco Pro. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter, paddle shift. Thank you for watching.